Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your brand visibility with Facebook step by step clearly. Create a Facebook business page if you haven't already. Ensure the page reflects your brand identity through visuals and content. Use a high-quality logo as your profile picture. Select a compelling cover image that captures your brand essence. Fill out all the information fields, including address, phone number, and website. Craft a clear and engaging bio that describes your business. Connect your page to your Instagram account for broader visibility. Regularly post valuable content relevant to your audience. Engage with followers by responding to comments and messages promptly. Utilize Facebook Stories to share behind-the-scenes content. Create Facebook events for upcoming promotions or launches. Pin important posts to the top of your page to increase visibility. Leverage Facebook ads to reach a targeted audience. Set a budget and define your campaign objectives clearly. Analyze ad performance regularly using Facebook Insights. Monitor comments and feedback to manage your brand reputation. Encourage satisfied customers to leave positive reviews. Utilize user-generated content to build community trust. Collaborate with influencers in your niche for broader reach. Join relevant Facebook groups to engage with like-minded individuals. Keep your branding consistent across all posts and interactions. Use Facebook Live to show authenticity and connect in real time. Stay updated on Facebook's algorithm changes and adapt your strategies accordingly. Regularly evaluate your overall strategy and make necessary adjustments. Continue building relationships with your audience to enhance loyalty. Make use of Facebook's tools for businesses to streamline your efforts. Stay proactive in protecting your brand's visibility on the platform. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.